Nigerian TV.
Welcome to DJM TV, where you get latest news. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell for more videos. Please comment, like and share for our improvement. Let's go there, my people. The reasons why we withdrew forgery case against Obaseki. Members of the All Progressives Congress (APC) in Edo, who filed a case against Governor Godwin Obaseki over alleged certificate forgery, have explained why they withdrew the suit. The case, suit No. FHC ABJ CS 553/20 Edobo Williams and others vs APC and Obaseki, was withdrawn from the Federal High Court, Abuja, by the plaintiffs who are APC members. They said they withdrew the case because they had accomplished their mission, which was to prevent Obaseki from being fielded as APC governorship candidate for September 19. Obaseki was disqualified from the primary by the party's National Working Committee (NWC) before he defected to the People's Democratic Party (PDP), on which platform he is seeking re-election. In a statement on Tuesday by Shores and Savannah, the legal representatives to Edobo Williams and others, the plaintiffs said. It would be recalled that the plaintiffs were opposed to APC nominating Godwin Obaseki as its gubernatorial candidate for the September 19 governorship election for Edo State on account of Mr. Obaseki's inconsistent educational history, false credentials and forged affidavits. These were the same reasons for which APC eventually disqualified Godwin Obaseki from participating in the APC gubernatorial primaries of 22/6/2020 to the satisfaction of the plaintiffs. The plaintiffs voluntarily filed a notice of discontinuance of the said suit, having achieved their objective of stopping APC from sponsoring Godwin Obaseki. The public must take notice that the case was never considered on
DJM TV.